So hello people, how you going? This is Glenn from Australian English. Today I'm going to show you how to use your and your. So we'll make this as simple as possible. I'm not going to really specify any of the grammar. I'll just say how you can use it in a sentence. So, first example is your, Y-O-U-R. I have this coin, someone dropped it. You saw that they drop it and you pick it up. And being a nice person that you are, you want to give the coin back. You go up to them and you say, "Excuse me, is this your coin?" So, is this your coin? And they would say, "Oh, I don't know." And then, politely you say you saw them drop it and you give it back to them. You can also use this in a plural sense. So, instead of one person, you have 5 people. And you saw one of them drop the coin, but you're not too sure who. You don't know who. You saw a coin drop, you turned around, you saw it rolling towards you, you know it come from that group. So, you pick the coin up, and you go up to them and say, "Excuse me, is this your coin?" You say, "Excuse me, is this your coin? I saw you drop it." And they go, oh. And one of them goes, "Oh, yes, it is my coin. Thank you very much." And you give it back to them. And that is how you use your and your in singular and plural, or one person and more than one person scenario. You can also use it as like a determinative, or like, how do I use it? Okay, I like your hair. I like your plants. So, you're saying your plants, we put a verb in front of it, to like. And that is another way you can use it. You're actually determining that they possess that object, but you're also using a verb with it as well. The second way you can use this word your is Y-O-U-R, which is just a contraction of you are. So if you get confused with your as a possession and your as a contraction, try and think of the sentence in which you are fits in. Like, with this coin, would you say, "Is this you are coin?" No, you will not use you are like that. You would use you are as, "You are a good person." You can also say, "You're a good person." So if you hear another sentence like, "You are injured," you can also say, "You're injured." Okay? So if you get confused, just use you are instead of your. And if it makes sense, then you can use your with the apostrophe, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, in that sentence. And if not, then use Y-O-U-R instead of the contraction. So, I hope this clears up some aspects of your and you are. So, keep on learning English and have a beautiful day. Oh, by the way, this coin is actually a 5 franc coin, 1835. It has Louis Philippe I, and it has a metal value of about 12 American dollars, and it's actually silver. Quite worn, beautiful coin. Bye bye. Hooroo.